chewing cinnamon. My people, the problem, I shouldn't have used this particular phone. I'm not feeling myself with it. Okay, can't use brightness. Concern them all. I greet you all, my people. I see you. Okay, minudu. Chinadindo Rebichi Okwale is buff. Usman Abubakar Prince Jagaba Osimbajo Neji. I see you, my brother. Hey, the team I greet you one day. How's you going? Liam Ugoneche Dalu. Me block 1 or 2. Ndarora. Ubiako n'udi. Okay. Okay, it's about untold. Osubrile nnem na osubrile. My people, please thumb up the video, thumb it up and share. Oho mudu amamugba na agbo oho le ndi na ala ahụ ele ndị na-elu ahụ awasị gị lụọ ugbu ele ihe ga eme ogbuduru deto mmanụ ele no awe iru nu ilaru ụlọ ugbu ga-ego anụ afọ ụmụaka ka ọwọ ga-egowa isu njaba ele dị nke ga-aga ugbu eloji izu imeni na akwa gwa m unu na ọsọ ga-ata ọsọ ebidobekwu nke anụ a bụ jogging ka aka na-eme jogging ka aka na-eme ha gbarama. My people, you see the problem in Imo State could easily be solved, described by these two personalities I put here. This is the governor of Imo State, Uzodinma, and this is one atrocious motherfucker, Nonsonkwa. This one is instrumental to whatever IPOB ESM people are doing at Mbitoli. When these people started buying people, it is this Akpamu you are seeing here that was shouting, Fulani herdsmen, Fulani herdsmen, Fulani herdsmen. Now, he can't speak for 2 reasons. One being that if he says the truth, they will buy him. 2, he has a political ambition. Oko, that was a part of people that ruined the land, now wants to represent them in an official level. Then, this one, the governor of Imo State, is allowing this to help destroy the place, because at the end of the day, the buck stops on his table. He said the governor is your man. He is not my man. No. The only thing I have in Imo State is to provide security, help them in any way I can. And he is not serious with fighting your security. Also, people, you see this security we wanna get now. Don't ever rely on the government to sustain it. If not, any goat where government they feed now for gutter they sleep. Only government in the can go to on a mecha end there. They will ruin everything. You know, concern them. Na Abuja is always there. And I don't understand so. Na Abuja governor. Yes, he will be attracting investment to Imo State, but you need to balance it. You need to balance it by staying home. Abuja can vote to the and this issue of security you don't want to take seriously. is going to haunt you, your political ambition tomorrow. Now we go still come out to oppose you. Shebi say as they give am Peter Obi woto. Remember when he do it? Oh no, he didn't say he don't pass. He no say tomorrow he go need people support. So your own, they no cuckoo like you, and you no come provide security where we think say you go use your toughness provide. He reach all these people own, you turn one baby. He run one bush in la cage. Man, up on executive governor of the state. And the only reason people like him will be executive governor is because there is no other option. Who you want to replace her with? Now, who want to replace her? Which of the people will want to replace her now for your Imo state? You know they fund this type of ESN. Who know they their side? Provide security, no. But you will be able to provide security for a land that are taken from another community. Shebi ona dey see am. Ala people land. I hear say army dey there, police. Those of you from Ala, make una dey snap all these people they show now. I hear say army dey there, police dey there, but army and police cannot go to be told where these people's camps are. Base 44 camp is not the only place. He say hope is only interested in becoming the vice president in 2031, and he no go work. You dey hear me? We go oppose am with every fiber of our body, with every fiber of our being. We go oppose am. If he get the thing wey he say one get for government, make he dey get am from this one. But with the way he allowed insecurity to fester, he no see wetin we can do for Rivers State. He no see wetin we can do for Rivers State. On a day there, they shout Nigeria is collapsing. Why is the Southwest not collapsing? GSS, I'm a fool, Zion Ungobala. Okay, so they cannot take those. Please, why don't you people video this and send it to me? I'll use it to make a video here. Send me the videos of those soldiers and these people. I will use it to make a video. And those of you from Ungobala, you know they this Abuja. Now for Southeast, when they do protest, why not do it at the Unity Fountain? Eagle Square, Ministry of Justice. Abi you think say you go get justice for states where the governor they shake hands, they sit down with the person where to take on a land. Which place you think say they bring the document where they take thief on a land? Where did they get that document from? Guys, hit the like button and share the video. I say na Ijele speaks remix. We don't remix the song. On the year, and this one na full on video every day. Full on video. Ndanambra more na face on a state. Ebony, yes, na my mother maternal home, but make on a face on a state. Enugu, on a no say me and the Enugu people dey good times. At least on a get a functional governor. At least on a get a functional governor. Other states, I don't even wish you people any good, because all the problem where would they suffer from for Imo State. Nah, una bring them. First school, you don't see any people. Then, if without that one, Ojuku no go rise, do you go? You dey hear me? Then this current disaster, they can and 9 states. You see why I know the picture on there. All the few good people where I know from there, now them I the picture. Henry Chimezie, Blessed Dom, Prince Jagaban and Neji, and they just a few others. If not, I know they wish on a state any good thing. No? This is what they happen for Imo State now, non Akosam. So me, not to face on this Imo State now and begin to call out all the people. They that you don't charge Okorocha, if you know the account of the social media account where they use in name, the promoter, tag them here. All the good people, nice, fluffy, harmless pets that you get 500 million. while owing teachers. So it is that money that stopped Nnamdi Kanu from criticizing Rochas Okorocha. Yes, while owing teachers. Which insecurity no allow am. No be hope office I call when I tell them say these people want break over the prison. They say I no tell them. Including the day it will happen. Tell them now, make them lie. If he is serious in fighting insecurity, how many times have I personally provided his office with every information they need? They will come until these people do attack. You go attack one camp, do one or two things, everyone will go to sleep. Then they will continue. All their social media account, the IP address is no the Imo State. If not to tap person call now, na go sabi tap am. So why? How many years now? We have 5 years plus to deal with this, and he has not. He has not dealt with it. Do you think if Wike was the governor of Imo State, this one will still be walking around? Yeah? You think he will be walking around? Somebody say, Hope lives in Abuja, playing APC politics. And every meeting you will see him there. Every national meeting, you will see him there. Visit to Edo State, he will lead it. Plateau, he will be there. Kafanchan, he will be there. Everywhere but Imo. Everywhere but Imo. Everywhere but Imo State. This is how he rules your Imo State. And of course, most people know one day the state. How would you expect a rich man to come and invest in Imo State? Do you know billions of dollars that should have been invested in Imo State that is hanging outside? See our gas. And all those our gas business, we go know whether the Imo State government, they put them for your name, have been a personal property. We they come over. Shebi Rochas do it own. Think say don't carry everything, go. He drag and see say, you know, I don't know how on a letter settle, and I'm happy you people settle. All these you know, Imo State borrow money from social. We go know the people where they borrow the money from. Some of your governors are borrowing the money in your name, and they're borrowing it from them. So when they leave office, they will be paying, using your own money to pay interest on the money they loan to themselves in the name of your state, which they didn't use to do anything. You supported them. Why not? Why not? Why wouldn't Nnamdi Kanu be targeting my state when Okeze Pazu was not doing anything in his state? Are you okay? Why would I let you Mugus destroy my own state when you could take it to Abia State? So I'm supposed to keep quiet. I don't blame you people. I wish we had a governor that is forthcoming. A proactive governor when it comes to security. Yeah, he's doing well in salary, he pays salary, fine. All of those didn't get salary. Nightlife don't finish now. See our girls everywhere. Name that are show girls so you know go see them. Name Imo, Abia, Anambra, Enugu. Name which are shower joint you go now, we no go see them pack food there. And you don't know where this is coming from. Civilian JTF, this is what we've been calling for, but all these your politicians are palling with the same people supporting IBOB. How are they going to create a civilian JTF? Guys, until you start protesting against these people here in Abuja, Imo House, we will have to go to Imo House. Who is interested? Namigo leader. Okay? Those of you in Abuja, we need to make Abuja uncomfortable for this man. Even in Pikin no go rest. Let them ask Honorable Obiozo why I tell them say I see Obinna in Pikin. No be only that place I dey see am. We go wait. He as he dey enter there, we go carry placard dey front of that place. No be only one place. Make he go ask Honorable Obiozo. No be say we know dey see honor for this Abuja. Okay? Are you understanding me? You dey hear me so? If we don't make this Abuja unlivable for them, Oga, they no go take care of Imo State too. We are declaring a protest for August. Those of you who are interested will be plotting every move in our WhatsApp group. We will not say it here. And if you've not joined the WhatsApp group, join it. If you've not joined the Telegram channel, join it. We will go to the National Assembly, protest against the Imo legislators that are there. Anambra people, if you people don't want to join, it's your business. Enugu people, if you people don't want to join, it's your business. Abia, Ebonyi. If you like how it is, go there. Okay? You say wetin concern the Pikin. When people, children, they die of hunger, starvation, and they say, and then go they carry baby, they walk everywhere. We go they look at me, they craze. They craze. You know where? Nothing concern Pikin, really? Really? Are you serious? If these people know they collect, they no go listen to you. Write letter finish, make call finish. Now there it end. Make I give you the link. They will go and visit the pastors, but they can't go and visit the communities. Why hasn't he gone to Aaron Dizzo? He's even in Owerri now. Those of you that are at the government house, is the government currently at the government house? Today is Monday. Today is Monday. What are you saying? Let me post the link now. Has he even visited his work? Let me post the WhatsApp group link. Our protest is fact. It doesn't even, we can do it. We can be able to do this thing next week. We can do this next week. It doesn't cost much. And it has to be midweek. We will call Sahara reporters. We will call many media houses. Leave that one for me. Now me go call those ones. Even if it's only 20 people that we got, when we go to others, we know how our protests they be now. From what we'll write on our placards on all this, then we'll go do, everybody go to cover them. I'm coming. Let me post the link. I'm trying to post the link now, so you join the WhatsApp group. Check the Telegram. Ijele, the king of the game, not the king of the game. Ijele, the king of the game, is the Telegram account. Don't worry. Let's see the damage control that we do in the media and how far it will take them to. Kaimaraze, ndị nwe steeti ahụ ma anyị nwa ka ọnụ ishi na-emebi unu. Iche na-eso na ndị na-akpọ ya iyi. Mmụọ unu dịkwa ịkpọ gị iyi, nọ imego uncomfortable na Abuja. Chechena m akụghịrị akụghịrị. Ndị ara. Ezu nji ndụ ndị mmadụ egwu egwu. See the WhatsApp link here. See the WhatsApp link. Burundo Shindi 419, we invite them. See the WhatsApp group link, and please, we know they contribute any money for WhatsApp. Okay? Somebody say, and for you, oh UK, God go punish you. Person we don't cry for national TV already. God never disgrace them. That we are not contributing anything in the WhatsApp group. Oh, anything, anybody that calls you that Ijele say we are doing this, we need it. It's a lie. You will hear my voice there. If you don't hear my voice, you don't follow. And anything we are doing, we do it in the open. And me radio, if you wanna give me order, then go see me for TV this week. And we go this thing where we talk here now, we go talk am for TV. Okay? You don't understand. So last one, we know we know they see anybody face now. We know this. We've tried everything. Just for Telegram is Ijele the king of the game. See the Telegram channel here. Make I show you the profile. So if you see, I mean, no say na him. Jifu chonde mother egwu. See the channel here. See the profile picture you will see. That's the profile picture you will see. You can't type the link. People are tapping it. You say you can't tap the link. Okay, I will share it on the page after the program. I'll share it on the page after the program. My people, it's protest time. This is protest season. Everybody must go to their state and live where they rule. Go to your state, live where you rule. If you have to do anything in Abuja, me, I can be able to go to, if I can be able to go to Lagos today and come back today, a governor can be able to come to Abuja and go back. I don't know what's wrong with the link. Don't worry, I will post it on the page. Okay, let me just post it right now. If this one didn't work, you can use the link on the page. And I want you to know. No can I call you the nonsense. The code name for the protest is Operation Go Back to Your State. Operation Rule from Your State. We will go to Wuse, we will go to Gariki. All the places our people are. But above all, we will end it at the Imo house. We will end it at the Imo house. Let them arrest us there. Let's see. Let them arrest me for calling for security in Imo State. Then he will tell me whether he's part of the politicians doing this thing. This is the fear now. And when do gonna nonsense on we will make it uncomfortable for him and his family in Abuja. By uncomfortable, we are not attacking anybody physically. We are protesting. No, na hold our state, na hold our money. Security vote today on our hand. Monthly allocation day on our hand. Everything passed through you people. So we cannot be shouting on social media every day, criticizing only the people funding this when the person that is supposed to be fighting them is in Abuja here. It will not happen. Don't let the Carlo, I see you. Another Abia person where we go to use the Kodosh, this one self no be again na Britico. Don't let the G na Britico. My people, if you don't demand to be respected, these people will not respect you, then go climb on top of your head. Whatever you are blaming, hold on. Let me block this Ozu. I don't have time for this woman. Whatever you are blaming Nonsonkwa for, also blame the governor for letting him. You mean with all these things going on at Mbitoli, not be where they from the enter that camp, this governor, they from going village. Not be Olurodin, they from going village. Eh? The distance between him be, see, make I sure now where these things they happen. Let me type in Umuaka to Owerri. Watch. I want to show you the close proximity between this camp and the state capital. Make you know, say, Hausa Bagoka, which is Umuaka to Owerri. Then go here one. Now we and them now. Oh yeah. Umuaka to Owerri is 23 kilometers. Umuaka to Owerri is 23 kilometers. Wait, I'm coming. Simbiri Obako Ebu. No, let me go Simbi Toli. Mbidi. Uguta. I'm coming. Let me show you people. You see all these places. You see this Ofekata. You see this Ofekata. This Ofekata you are seeing. Mind you, you are going to Owerri here. See Ubommiri. All these places you are seeing. Don't go. Don't go completely. See Owerri. See Owerri. Wait. This is Owerri here. Are you seeing Owerri here? See Owerri. This one now be that roundabout. See Avaniko College of Education. See that roundabout where they see here. Oh yeah, watch. This is Amako here. Owerri Olu Road. Now be this. And I don't have any pointed thing I will use to show it very well for you to see. Okay, let me use. I'm coming, guys. 1 minute. Let me get a pen. Are you seeing it here? Watch. You see this Ubommiri now? No go area. Traffic there. This is a checkpoint. This has to be a checkpoint for you to, for there to be traffic there this month. This has to be a checkpoint. See, I'm here. See Ofekata. This Ofekata road you are seeing, you see this road now. If you follow here, you are going to my maternal home. From here now, you are going to, then you see this side of this road. Enter this side. They no born you where make you follow that road. They no born you where make you follow this road. Watch. Hold on. See, well, let them update this one. Nankorodo be this. This road, in this place where you see now, Nankorodo. This road, this one is Obaha Road. Another dangerous camp. This one is when you are going to Ogwa. This one now, when you are going to Ogwa, straight is Ahaba. Ahaba. All these places now, no way, they no born you where. Make you go there. CMC capital. CMC capital. Ha. Una asemu na onye bu governor. Governor da Abuja. Iya na-ekwu, the governor is in Abuja. Not that he doesn't know these politicians sponsoring this thing. Where is the Ihedio her voice note? Where is the Ihedio her voice? Like, Why are they not pursuing it? But somebody talk for social media, una go say arrest am. No be security forces dem go take care of. I dey tell you. No be security forces dem go take care of. Be it army, be it DSS, be it police. I can't be disclosing security information. Say I hate the governor, no mean say I will go dey hate people where they risk their life to keep the place relatively safe as it is now. But you are telling me I know all these camps and the governor doesn't know them? Is that what you're telling me? Unu ni na wachicha nketo na complain atamu ana momo hari. Why you get the one who go to an ekwu for what? Guys, I don't want this thing to be a long video, but we are hosting our protest. Then, from what we discuss, the deputy governor's village is a no-go area. Half of here. No, how much I have at the national level? I need tune. Abuja, I need tune there. I need tune. We are waiting for you people. This person has not spoken. That person has not. How about the governor? How many days later he's here to go to Uzodinma? He is here to go to Uzodinma where this thing happened. It doesn't concern him. It's none of his business. Uzodinma people deserve it, yet they deserve it. They deserve it and worse. Una see me open mouth talk about gentle again for waiting. For waiting. I go leave waiting and I go to call gentle. Okay, Nonsonkwa shouldn't be blamed. All the while he has been shouting Fulani herdsmen when it's these people. That are Naskai them. Naskai them still they in charge of that Mbitolu side. He no say Naskai them they do that thing. You know. Now, all you find in Ando to her. Nozinishi. How come Nonso that is closer to Amuku Ododo doesn't know this thing and I do? How come? And I hear say they blame Magnus. Say na he tell me, Magnus hold my number. Magnus hold my, you hear say Magnus hold my number. The only person in not even Onedikachi, their last born, my manest man, na girl, my personal person, my number one personal person there, has my number. No only for they get my number, but they don't blame Magnus. Say na he tell me. Una things I know the year news. Una things I know the year news. Abi Forte. The only thing I discuss about Forte now in Zion B. In Zion B, prophecy where they go give her. When Nandi friend, they there. Oh, when is your friend? Oh, is it Nandi? He doesn't know. Forte name is Nandama. And I hear them giving you prophecy about Onedikachi. Oh, that your sister, she is stubborn. Onedikachi name money here. Most of you men where they there, she play ball person. Dadam demina, munyem owamumbu. Oyenka washirike. All these people don't even get my number. Na magu we go come get my number. Unu na-ebe, umu ebe so. Umu no have forest na den dey there. Are you telling me Nonsonkwa doesn't know about the camp at Umunoha? Those of the security forces, when I say when they go Umuaka, they go Njaba side. Good. How many comes on at the pass to reach that job. Emaha no Emaha no fekata. Kowuba. Governor no dey state now why these people they use their hand, they settle land dispute. The governor ndo she settle land dispute. And you know how much they pay? One sitting 150K. This person go pay 150K. That person go pay 150K. In a state where they get governor. In a state where they get governor. My people, in fact, I'm going to, how many Sahara reporters, this and that. I have to end this video now. We will set everything in motion. We will set everything in motion. They are not hiding. Of course, making TikTok video. They're on TikTok with their guns. You think the ESN guys are not aware that the governor is not around? You think they are not aware he's not around? Let's see the plane he travels with. Check the manifest, check his presence. Let them show us any camera capturing the governor in Imo State in the last 1 month. The president will not be wrong to declare a state. Appoint an administrator so others will learn. Use our state as an example, please. Hello?
Ijele, one
I want the monster.
morning. I'm here to bog. Maybe I think you might call longer bog because you've done enough. I have to admit it. My brother, let's take on. You've done enough. I have anything. That's all enough. Let the people of the community come out and speak. Now, these people that have been, paying all these dues, they have children that have access to social media. At least let them come up on their Facebook page, make a post, say what their concern is, then we can help them to share it. Let them come and speak for themselves. I know you are Nimolite. I know you are concerned. My brother, he got the granaka and that. I'm a man order.
1 minute, Chimezie. If this protest is about going to listen to ask federal government, then you'll be saying this one. No, our place will not be burning. The governor will be in Abuja and be comfortable. You dey hear me so?
My brother, Agwofunda KGG Wapondo, the one name,
we need to make this Abuja uncomfortable for that government. We need to do like he needs to do his job. This is the real fact. Anybody that is tired is free to stand down. Please. Nobody should tell me this thing again. You are tired, stand down.
So I just let me say it. I can't, like I've always said, I can't tell you what to do. But my brother, on this issue, you've paid the ultimate price. If all the political leaders, all the governors, okay, like all these communities that are affected, their senators are aware of it. Their councillors are aware, their elected leaders are aware of it. If they will stand up and say enough is enough, they have access to our common patrimony. These people have every power. They were elected to protect the people. But if they don't want, that is their business. And secondly, just like also people are doing, let this community, let their children come on social media and say this is what their parents are going through. This is what their communities are going through. Let it not look like as if we are selling fables all the time. My brother, Biko, I can't tell you what to do, but I have to be honest with you. My brother, Chukwu you have done more than enough. The same people now put an Igbo Rants. You're enemy of Igbo. You hate your people. Ask them now, how do you hate your people? At what is
My
this?
brother, listen. I am not concerned about the buying that. In fact, my mission now is to bring the video of whoever they buy the person, come and dance for them, come and rejoice. As for the buying, no, let them buy them. I don't care. But the fact that the governor of a state, you think it's only security that is getting affected by this? People's
Not at
businesses are
all.
dying.
Ma Ijele,
So
maybe,
bring this.
excuse
See,
me, excuse me,
as for
excuse me,
security issue, I don't give
excuse
a
me,
fuck
one minute. Do
if
you,
the
this is,
meteorite falls on the
one
southeast and
minute,
wipe everything out. I
Ijele,
don't give a fuck.
Ijele, 1 minute, 1 minute. Do you remember 2019? When we were saying these people will kill the local economy, do you remember in most of your
Of
videos?
course.
Has it not happened? This guy from Iseke, why I said people of the community should be doing the video. The other Iseke video, the guy even went as far as showing local beer parlors and local businesses. Everything shut down. Did you not say it?
The second one, the second video.
That is it. There are two Iseke videos I've seen. The other one, the guy was even mentioning people from that community. Mentioning even the owners. Is it the basket business? Is it this other market in Olo? You know, my friend, he told me his childhood memory, how his father takes them there, how busy the market is, has not shut down. At least let people of this community speak up. Thank you, my brother. I'm not trying to interfere. I'm not trying to interfere. You know, if you know me, you know me. I don't try to interfere with issues. But when it comes to this, you know, the governor is not performing. I agree. But let the people of the I wonder, men who say men no day, who say men no day. If every of them, include how many bloggers from the southeast is even talking about this thing? Where is this guy that who's already agreed their page? Where's MC Ice? Did he not go expect the Biafra no man's the Kano? Is he not seeing all this nonsense? Where are they? Thank you, my brother.
My brothers and sisters, what you people don't understand is this case I had is not with Zion B. They relied on their politicians and they thought those people have power. And we've shown them they don't. The next, see, you don't declare truth with somebody you have on the ground. Once you are pressing, or press your advantage. And we will press this advantage by making it, we are the pace setters. Our own protest now, when we do finish, others go to copy. By the time we force our own governor, others will go after not just their governors, their elected representatives. We go pursue their car for traffic. You don't understand where this thing they go. We've dealt with their criminal pastors. Make one person do miracle. Make one person do miracle. If we achieve this, you think we can achieve sending these people back and back to their homes? Huh? Is that what you think? Make it unbearable for them. Make it unbearable for them. No rest. You think these people are not watching social media? You think they are not watching the television? I don't know why I even use this particular device to make this video. I don't like the color. This one would have been better. This one would have been better. I should have used this one. You think all the Nollywood actors, musicians, businessmen for Igbo land, all quiet? Nothing will be their problem. No, mind them. Nothing will be their problem. Nothing will be their problem. Look at Southwest now. It's the most peaceful place in Nigeria. Go check the US State Department. All the places they told people not to go for different reasons. There is no Southwest state mentioned, which was how the opposite of what we had in 2019, before 2020. The Southeast was the most peaceful place. I'm just coming in. Please, who is going for protest? Now we, Imo State. Imo State. Now we. When is geopolitics coming back? My brother, they said the new Facebook pages can't make video until after 60 days. That's why it seems to abandon the geopolitical programs. But I think we can still do today, maybe in the afternoon. It's time we speak out for ourselves here. No one is coming to save us. We need to get things right. Of course, our security mechanism needs to bypass every state house, every government house in the Southeast. It should be directly between the presidency and the people. And by the people, it's not the senators, certainly not the House of Reps. Individuals that are not afraid to call out these criminals. Individuals that are willing to stand up and say, let them run their propaganda. We will buy every single criminal involved in this. Go after the politicians. Don't you know that the politicians know that when these guys fall, you knowing that they are the ones that funded them, you come after them. Chuguma, inbox me your number. I can't be able to write you because I will miss this thing. You inbox me your number. Or you check the WhatsApp group. I post a link to the WhatsApp group. From that WhatsApp group, you get the number there and write me direct. Yes, nobody can be able to write on the WhatsApp group, even my Telegram channel. That number on that WhatsApp group, you can call it. If you want to make contribution to the program, you can use that number. And let me put the number here. It's a big brain jot from Imo State. No be also. No be from also. Not from also now. The place now today finish. Bingo. When I don't join the WhatsApp group finish, you can't run because I don't feel type people no then that and that. Deep. Let me put the number here. Two, seven. 924. I go to 927. 924. 5577. 5577. That's the number there. That's the number. Chidoke Paul, okay, if I've seen your this thing. You said Wahala Day Southeast too. Now for today. Now from today is that. Igbo State are not going to expect of any governor. Don't worry now. You think so they count people like you? Cool. So you are not defending the governor now. You are no longer that and that. The challenge English. Let me block this issue. Let me block this issue. Come here, type nonsense. I block your fucking ass there, idiot. Man. So now that maybe you. My people, these guys will not joke with us. They can do it in other states. There is a reason Imo State is unique. There is a reason Imo State is unique. One, I had a take nonsense. If others don't want to do it, let them continue to be docile. We've not known to be docile before. Do you realize our state is the only place that no one will come and say, na him be the Jagaba, na him be the highest. And I call the Hello. 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 Who is on the line?
Hello, it's not it's me, Ijele.
Okay, go ahead.
Grand Rising.
Grand Rising, bro.
Progressive Nigerians listening. Ijele will also take a support a little bit of what she said. I think you should allow the people from those communities to speak up, say what two people are taking the lead. If the people are not ready to take the lead, then your life is not worth risking for them. Let them take the lead, then you support them from behind because they're ready to face reality. But otherwise, you take them.
But at least, let's admit at least that we need to go on TV and radio.
Yes, of course.
Okay, at least if we are shunning the protest, we will not shun the TV and radio.
No.
Uh-huh.
We can only point the people to the right direction. If it's who you are going to be protesting against, then let them take the lead, then we can take the shine from behind.
Yeah.
That's you.
Okay. Thank you so much. That's a good idea. Well, let's use TV and radio and finish them. Yeah, let's use TV and radio. That one is also a protest. But now the people where we go, they blame. On Saturday, 2 p.m. Okay, they didn't even see it. They buy a policeman. I didn't see the video. Chris Nadis, please send it to me. Please send me see that number there. Use it to send me the clips you have of it. So we share it in our Telegram channels. In our Telegram and WhatsApp channels. Please send me the video. Send me the video. Let's use TV and video and finish them. TV and radio, finish them. They think they can attack the page at the end of the day. I know say on the year round. On the year round. Who be this one now again? Nobody should call me direct line. If you want to call, it's WhatsApp. And I'm going. We will saturate the airwaves with constructive criticism. We know the people where they you insult politicians. No, we know they insult you. We will tell you the truth. We will tell you the truth. Okay, let's leave protest for now. Until those communities want to take heed of our advice. But the protest, the TV and radio, oh God, we need that. We need it. Okay? We need it. About it in the they don't appropriate their on our land now. They share them to their friends, their pastors. Please, if all those videos and photos of people, the soldiers and DSS, they say are protected, let me know why soldiers and DSS will leave communities they should be protecting and they go to protect a land they are taking from another community. Says who? Says who? Yes, I don't picture Ala people. Remove the military and the DSS from there immediately. Send them to Mbitoli. Remove them from there. Send them to Mbitoli. I don't care what happened to that land. What happens to that land? Why should government forces be used against a community? And the governor is there. Of course, we are not insulting them. We tell them the truth. We will tell them the truth. What I will not say is that Hope Uzodinma started this. No, he didn't start it. But he's had over 5 years to solve it. As the governor, he is not solving it. He wants to keep quiet, finish his 8 years, ride off to this sunset. Of course, now the people where they do the thing, they hide. They are on TikTok and so like. So the governor couldn't even provide adequate mechanism for tracking these people down. Really? Eh? How much is a stingray that they can't provide? One for the DSS, one for the army, and one for Tiger Base. Eh? These people you see come into the Owerri town, they'll finish and go back to the bushes. The mother. Well, my own not to make them uncomfortable for them, to spread the knowledge people should have. Other than that, I know they pity anybody where they buy you. I have no pity for them. And I will not risk myself for you people. You understand? I won't. It won't happen. Where are the men of God where they do miracle, where they see God? Why don't they pray it away? And they will go and meet the governor, will be shaking hands with him. A fraudster. Unuga, free here, my people. Thank you so much for joining me this wonderful morning. See you soon.